Hey gearheads! Today we're taking a look at a must-have power steering upgrade for 1965-1966 Chevy Chevelles, the CPP Complete Big Block 500 Series Power Steering Conversion Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a smooth and strong power steering setup, including the 500 Series steering box, a big block-specific pump with bracket, hoses, a remote reservoir and mount, feed lines, a Pitman arm, and a rag joint. Just remember, the pulley is sold separately, so grab the correct one for your crank setup. Older Chevelles with manual steering can be hard to handle, especially in tight turns or when parking. This CPP kit brings modern ease to classic muscle, dramatically reducing effort at the wheel without losing that old-school feel. And because this kit was designed specifically for the 65-66 Big Block Chevelle, fitment is precise, and install headaches are minimized. Installation is straightforward for anyone with basic tools and garage experience. The pre-fitted bracket makes bolting on the Big Block pump a breeze, and hose routing is clean thanks to the included remote reservoir kit. With this kit installed, your steering feels lighter yet controlled, perfect for street cruising, car shows, or weekend drives. And unlike some universal kits, this CPP solution keeps your engine bay tidy. All components are engineered to fit just right. Here's a couple quick tips before you start. Have a torque wrench handy. Steering box and pump bolts need proper torque. Make sure your hoses are routed clear of exhaust and hot components. Bleed the system thoroughly. It's key to eliminating steering chatter. So if you're restoring or upgrading your 65-66 Chevelle and want smooth, reliable, true power steering, the CPP Big Block 500 Series kit is an excellent choice. Links in the description below. That's it for this video. And remember, for parts that are built to fit, built to perform, and built to drive, make sure your ride is CPP equipped. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.